welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm reviewing the Flex MagCharge USB-C dock by HyperDrive. This is a really cool product. It is a full USB-C dock with a lot of extra features, especially for those of you who own an Apple device or even maybe the most recent Pixel 10 device. Real quick, just want to give a shout out to the Best Buy Insiders Network who provided me with this product free of charge. Although doing a video review is not part of that program, this is all on me. That program just has me do a written review, but this is my choice that I want to review because I want you guys to know about it because I think it's a really cool product. So I want to give you my honest opinion and my feedback on after using it for a while and what I love about it, maybe what I wish was different. Again, it's the Flex MagCharge and it's by HyperDrive. HyperDrive kind of makes a lot of different USB-C hubs and docking stations, things like that. But this one's very unique because it is the Flex MagCharge. And so it has right here a MagSafe compatible wireless Qi charger. It's the standard wireless Qi 7.5 watt wireless charging, which also will work for a Google Pixel phone. But what I love about it is that's kind of a bonus. It's a USB-C hub or dock that allows you to connect a lot of different peripherals, storage devices, and things to really any computer or your phone even, or an iPad or a tablet, something like that. So let's talk about all the features. First of all, this does fold away. So one thing I love about this is that it's really portable, compatible and portable with a lot of stuff. So you can easily throw this in your travel bag if you're traveling and you want to have an option for a dock. And what's great about it is it's got all the attachments or all the ports that you would really need. It doesn't have a lot of extra ports. It just has all the basic things you would need. Let's start with, obviously it has this cord attached. This is a USB-C cord. This is what you use to attach it to the host. So in other words, to your MacBook or your laptop or your iPhone or Google Pixel phone or an iPad or a tablet. And that connects the dock to that in order to be able to use all of these ports with that device. Now over here on this side, you've got 3 USB ports, 2 USB-C and 1 standard USB. These are all 5 gigabits per second data transfer ports. Then you also have an audio jack, so you can plug in headphones or plug this into a speaker if you wanted to do that. Over here on this side, you've got your SD card slot. Now, there is no micro SD card slot, and that is something I wish that they had included. But generally speaking, it's not that hard to have a micro SD to SD adapter if you needed to use that. So that is there. Then on the back, you've got 2 more ports. This is your USB-C in. So this is where you get power in if you want to charge or power other devices. Now this does not come with an adapter or power cord for that. I wish it did, but it doesn't. They're expecting that you already have that for whatever device you're using with it, and you would just use that. So you have your own USB-C adapter up to 100 watts. You can plug that into here, and that way that will power this device, allow you to charge through this to your host or charge using the MagSafe charger. So that's what that's for. And then you have your HDMI. It is a 4K HDMI. So this is great because this allows you to connect whatever's connected to this to an external monitor to have either an additional monitor or a mirror. And this works with everything. So I attach my iPhone. I put my iPhone on here and attach to this and then use the HDMI out to my TV, and I could mirror my phone on my TV, which is really great for like if you're traveling and maybe you want to be able to watch Netflix or one of your streaming channels on your TV at your hotel or something, you could attach this to your phone and then attach an HDMI from here to the TV, and you could do that. Of course, also it would work if you're using a laptop and you just want an additional monitor. It works for that, or an iPad or tablet, basically anything. You can attach to this, and then you'll be able to use that HDMI out to have a second monitor or attach it to your TV, which is great. Now the MagSafe charging, this is cool because this pops up as you saw, so you can use this as a dock. And that's what I love about this, because if I'm traveling, I can take this with me to use as a USB-C dock. with my iPad or even with my phone. But then at night, I need to charge my phone. I could have this just sitting on the nightstand by my bed and throw my phone on here and just charge my phone. Don't have to use the dock, don't have to attach it to anything, just charge it wirelessly. And could be doing that while this is attached to a laptop or while this is attached to an iPad, something else. Could be using the dock completely separately from the wireless charger. So that's very cool, makes it very versatile. I do kind of wish that it was like a all silver metal design. It's not, it's all plastic, and they have this unique color combination they use. You can see it's white on this side, but then blue on all the other sides. And you do have the little HyperDrive logo right here. There's a LED light under there that lights up when it's getting power to let you know that it's connected and getting power and ready to go. Also, just a note on the bottom, completely covered with rubber. I love that instead of having just a few rubber feet, the whole thing is rubber. So when you set this on something, it stays really well, doesn't slide around on you because you've got that nice grip on the bottom. So very simple device. Like I said, doesn't have like a ton or a million different ports, but just has the basic ports you need. You've got the 3 USB ports, you've got your audio out, you've got an SD card slot, you've got your HDMI out for visuals, and then you've got obviously your cord to connect to your host, as well as the port to connect your power in order to charge your device that you got plugged in, and or to use for wireless charging. The fact that it can also dub as just a wireless charging dock for your iPhone is like a nice bonus. Anyway, really a cool product by HyperDrive if you're looking for a USB-C dock, especially for a travel dock. And especially if you have an iPhone and or Google Pixel 10 phone that supports the magnetic charging, then this is definitely a product that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. If you have any questions, post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Of course, there's links in the description to the product in case you want to check it out for yourself. That is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.